World's generation of electronic waste is rising 5 times faster than documented e-waste recycling. The report underlines that if countries could bring the e-waste collection and recycling rates to 60% by 2030. DD India's John Beaver has more from Bristol.
E-waste is a growing problem. Globally, it's estimated the amount produced annually has almost doubled since 2010. This factory in Wales, run by the Royal Mint, has a unique way of dealing with printed circuit boards. Any gold is extracted by a new chemical process that works at room temperature. That makes the process both energy efficient and cost effective. Refurbishment and reuse of existing technology is one way of reducing the amount of e-waste produced. But talking at a parliamentary hearing, those who sell refurbished products like smartphones claim there are deliberate barriers being created.
Some original producers are now putting out software updates that, unless it's a genuine part from that producer, you're receiving an error message to say that this has got a non-compatible part. The compatible original part is extremely expensive. It makes repair completely difficult and prohibitive and no longer attractive for the customer.
The vast majority of the UK's e-waste is processed abroad. The World Health Organization have issued warnings about the informal processing of some of it and the potential harm that can be done to those carrying out the work. There is also the issue of e-waste not being recycled. A lot of products like phones have got smaller as technology improves, but for items like washing machines and tumble dryers, they remain big, heavy and cumbersome. Often you have to pay to have old ones taken away. So when people get new products, the temptation is to illegally dump them. There are warnings from the Environmental Audit Committee of a forthcoming e-waste tsunami in the UK. It's hoped that more schemes like this gold extraction will reduce the amount being sent to landfill. John Beaver in Bristol reporting for DD India.